Welcome to the MTFXG. In this video, you will learn how to register as a follower in copy trading. The process is very simple. If you are a new user, then register and log in to enter the MTFXG traders room. Existing users can directly log in. Press copy trading from the side panel and go to the list of top copy trading providers where their past performance is visible. Click Invest to select the provider you like to follow based on their past performance. Redirect to the user portal, fill in details manually on the subscription registration form. Enter your trading account number and password and choose the offer if provided by the provider. Make sure your trading account type should be same as the provider account type. Click Register to submit the details. Redirect to portfolio and mark the provider's name that you have already selected. Click Activate and confirm it by clicking on the activation pop-up. Once the confirmation is done, the current IDs of the provider will be copied. You are now ready to trade solid with MTFXG copy trading. Thank you.